ladies, how are you? I'm doing my number 4 of the Bio-Cell lifting mask, and I've done a couple videos on this. We're going to do our last one today. It's Wednesday. We're going to take it out. Go ahead and put it on again, and then wait 30 minutes. Have to unfold it. Remember I said that take one of the papers off first, and then I always place it in my hand like this. It just works better. Make sure my hair is all back. Position it. The Bio-Cell lifting mask is just that. It's going to lift. It is going to hydrate at the same time. This is a Korean inspired mask that Mary Kay has put out. It will help with many things on our skin. So once I get it 90% in place, then I go and I take this. So once I get it on, I try not to talk, because it will have a tendency to just move down your face, because obviously gravity is going to just pull it anyways. So gently peel it apart. Kind of gets hung up on a couple little areas, and then just go back. This is when I always pull it down around my eyelids. I like to get that hydration on there, because the more hydration, the better my eyelids are. And then I just kind of brush it back like so. You can take these when you're done and just put them up on over top. Right now I'm not going to do that. Put this in place like so. And I literally will smooth all of the air bubbles out. Make sure it's in place, flat against my skin. It always has tendency in your little areas of your face, by your nose and your dimples and things like that, to just kind of get a little air pocket. So I like to make sure that it's completely laying on my face. And so there is that. Now 30 minutes. I will be back. Often you can take whatever is left in this, because there is a lot. You can either put it on your hands, you can wipe it on your neck. It's not going to hurt anything. It's just going to give you okay, here we go. We're going to take this off. You can tell when it's done. My Alexa's going to tell me in a minute, but you can tell when it's done, because it there's no moisture left in it. And I literally just let this seep in when I take it off, and it'll be a good I don't know, 15 minutes before I'll put anything else on. I just leave it. So I just want to talk a little bit about the science behind the Bio-Cell mask. You know, like when they test things, Mary Kay always does this on actual people. There's no animal testing. And the mask, the purpose for these masks is, number one, it's got our repair formulas in it. So it's going to lift, it's going to hydrate. But people notice that their skin looked younger after using all 4 of them in the 2-week period. Also more luminous, more dewy looking, so healthy basically, right? And then they noticed that their fine lines that they had were reduced. So that is why I use this at night. Okay, the box is just $70, so each one of those is about $18 investment, and this will last for 2, maybe 2.5 months, I'll start noticing my little lines right here start showing up a little bit more. They originally brought this out to use. So, you know, when they first brought this out, it was like for those special occasions, weddings, anniversaries, class reunions, to go ahead and use that 2 weeks prior to it, and then it'll help your skin. But if you're using our skincare along with this, it will stay longer. It will keep it longer. Also, it can be used anytime. It doesn't have to be used just for special occasions. Literally, I use this every quarter. So every 3 months, I will take this out and I will try this. Or try it. I will use it. And I noticed that, especially in the wintertime, things are so much drier in our area. I mean, I was just outside walking in the snow with my little dog. So if you're interested and would like to get a little bit more information, absolutely send me a quick text. Any kind of questions, I will answer as fast as I can.